Hey you guys, I'm over here at High Output Auto. Typically I'll be talking about their very wide selection of parts and services. But tonight I'm actually doing a little unboxing video. It's kind of been unboxed already, but yeah. The product came in from Steve Delacruz of Sticker Guy Tuning, Delacruz Motorsports, out of Pelham, New Hampshire. On time, just as promised, a package. Package being, let's open this up. Typically, like I say, unboxing videos aren't my thing, and this is kind of a unbox, rebox scenario. So inside of this package here is, let's place it out here, the Delacruz Motorsports Speed Sensor Kit. Okay, if you guys are putting together a car that requires rear speed sensor, or you have a custom application in which you need to provide traction control or rear speed to the ECU, you can order one of these kits from him directly. All right, it comes with this nice 3-wire speed sensor, nicely packaged. The shipping container was nicely packed. And like I say, Delacruz Motorsports, Pelham, New Hampshire. They'll definitely get you right on anything that you need. All right. Vehicle speed sensor kit. Let's see how it works, because what I'm doing is actually a custom application. So as long as everything goes smoothly on my side, I know it's going to work perfectly. But these kits are tried and true and tested from Delacruz Motorsports. So get yours, order yours today. Okay. Delacruz Motorsports out of Pelham, New Hampshire. All right. Steve Delacruz. You can find him on Facebook. Thank you.